Greetings RC fans, Sharky here and welcome back to Sharky's Garage. Today I have brought the Lego RC crawler out to the skate park. We'll see how it goes. It is a very frosty morning, it's early in the morning in January. There's a park run going on, but hopefully there won't be too many people at the skate park and we'll be able to crack on with this and see how this does. I did bring another vehicle out which you've probably already seen. That ran really well and smoothly and all the rest of it. I don't know how this is going to do. Obviously we have flipped this so it should steer properly. The motors have been switched so it should go forward and backwards. Its tyres are put this way so it's rotating this way as a normal to give me more grip, and we will see how this runs. Before we get into the main part of the video, don't forget to do the usual things like, comment and subscribe. Right, I have got it on and running. Got cars about, so I've got to be a bit careful. Right, there's one coming through right now. We're going to try and run it over there. There are a few dogs about, so you've got to be a bit more careful. So we've got a problem with that side. Yes, that side wheel has come out, so we're going to need to fix that before we get into the main part of it. So I'll walk it over to the skate park, get that wheel clipped back in, and then we'll get it running. So yeah, you can see there it's come out. That was probably because when I was messing about with some few bits and pieces, and that side doesn't look fully gauged either, so I'll get those sorted out and then we'll get on with the main part of the video. Right, the front end is fixed, so we should now be able to run this relatively easily, although I'm having to hold the camera in the same hand that I'm driving with. There's no clamp because the controller is so small. Normally I would clamp the camera to this, which makes it a little bit easier for me, but hang on. The steering's reversed again. Or maybe it didn't reverse the steering, flipping it up the other way. We'll try it again in a second. I say it's a very high speed thing, obviously. Not quite the same as the drift car I brought out here earlier. Let's see if I can flip that again. I wonder whether, I don't know why it's doing that. Turning circle's not great. Right, okay, it's nearly come off the shaft, that's why. So we're going to flip this over. Right, it's over. It still doesn't flip the steering, so oh well, that doesn't work, but hey ho, have to remember. But we have got, at least we've got forward and backwards. Just need to, I don't think it'll crawl up here. I mean, it might do. Bit of a slower, different video to the other one, but oh, what was that? Oh, that stripped off something. I don't know what that is off. Okay, I'm hoping that's not a gear. Right, let's. What's going on? Let's see if we can see. Okay. Okay, so something somewhere in the engagement into this one has locked up, so we'll have to have a look at that and see where we go. This might be a short video, folks, but it is Lego, so you know, I can get replacement parts and sort it out, but I suspect what it's done is strip the end off a piece of gear, and we need to fix that. So what's happened is this has broken out of here. Okay, I'll try and get it replaced in there and see if we can get it up and running again. If not, I shall have to go home and get another one and try this again another day. But yeah, this is the problem with it on lock, so yeah. Right, some considerable time later, I've managed to get this put back together. I don't know how long it will last. So that goes onto there and onto the red shaft there. We'll try and get this put back together and then continue with it. We just need to be careful turning on full lock. Right, we've got it all back together. Just need to be careful about that, but it's learning. So yeah, got to be just careful not to bind it up. I think that was what the problem was. I got it bound up. Now I'm bringing it up on here because this thing has got a party piece, and I want to show you. Right, at the end of the last video I talked about these two buttons on the front. So this one you can see that, and then reverse up, and then the other one makes them in opposite directions, which is quite cool little feature. Right, let's see how it does on the more crawly bits. I'm being careful not to bind it up, because I think what it was, one of the tyres caught on one of the lower suspension links. It's got pretty good grip considering. It's really icy on that side still. Won't go over there.
Are we happy? Oh, look at your faces. Oh my God. Look out, please. Here comes the happy squad.
You won't be getting this jumping, but as I say, we're learning. I'll need to get, I think there was some spares of those, so I'll need to just carry a few spares with me for the future. We'll see what happens with the stairs, see whether it can climb the stairs. Possibly not. No. See the suspension working really well there. That'll make up this one. Yeah, maybe. Ooh. Lots of axle flex there, you can see. You can see the grip there. That's full forward action. Getting a little bit of grip. Over this side. I don't think it'll make it up this, but you never know. No. Right, I'm going to try it on this last little bit here. Ooh, some better, more grippy tyres, but then will I have more problems with other things? So let's see. That's that way. No. It's alright tipping in off there. Oh, that's interesting. Gives you a dig if you press the button in the steer. So, a rear dig. Ah, that's interesting. Cool. Right folks, that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll catch you all again next time. Well, I just closed out the video, but I'm running back to the car, so I might as well see how the battery does. Need to pick up my tripod because I thought I might need it to film with. I didn't, but I have to think about the steering with this thing. Got some grass over here, I might run it across. Not even sure I should stick this in on the end of the video, it just depends on how much footage I've got. Because, you know, Everything's sealed, so it's not going to be too much of a problem. What else would you like to see me do with this? So it's slow, but it's fun, and it also teaches mechanics, which I think is really important for kids. Learning how to make things work, learning how to build things. Building this has certainly given me a better thing on crawlers and all of that, because you learn as you're building it brick by brick how all the bits go together, what makes it work. Oh, did I? And I think I've stripped out that thing again right at the end there. Okay, well, this is really it now. Thanks very much for watching.